In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your LearnWorlds site so you can make it fit your brand and stand out from the crowd. Stick around because I'll also reveal a top competitor that might even be a better fit for what you're looking to do. Let's jump right in. First thing you'll want to do is access the theme customization area. You can do this by clicking on the theme section under the Appearance tab. This is where all the magic happens, changing colors, fonts, and layout. LearnWorlds gives you full control over your site's look, but it's important to note that their design options, while functional, can be a bit limited if you're looking for something highly unique. Next thing, let's talk about adding logos and adjusting your navigation menu. You'll head to the Header section, where you can upload your logo and set your site's primary colors. You can also reorganize the menu to make sure the most important pages are easy for your users to find. It's essential to keep navigation simple, but effective. If users can't find what they're looking for, they might leave quickly. The third thing you'll need to focus on is the page builder. LearnWorlds offers a drag and drop page builder, which is great for customizing the content of your site without needing to know how to code. While it's easy to use, it's not as flexible as some other platforms, and customization can feel a bit constrained if you want to go beyond the basics. Still, it's decent for creating standard course pages and landing pages. Next, let's talk about integrations. LearnWorlds integrates with various marketing tools, payment processors, and third-party apps like Zapier. If you're running a full-fledged online business, you might find that some integrations, like advanced email marketing or CRM tools, require extra setup or aren't as seamless as they could be. The fifth thing I want to touch on is LearnWorlds mobile responsiveness. This platform does a solid job of ensuring your site looks good on mobile, which is essential since a huge portion of your traffic will be coming from smartphones. However, there are still some limitations in terms of mobile customization, which can affect how your site looks on different devices. Now, I mentioned earlier that I'll be recommending a competitor, and here's why. While LearnWorlds is a solid option, if you're looking for a bit more flexibility in design, easier customization, and more powerful marketing integrations, you might want to look into other platforms. There are some alternatives out there with better free trials, stronger support for advanced features, and a more intuitive page building experience. And I've got a link that gives you exclusive benefits to check them out. So, there you have it. LearnWorlds does a lot well, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're still interested in giving it a try, I've got a special extended free trial link for you in the description below. Plus, I've included those amazing alternatives with even better trials that might be a better fit for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below to get the best trials and exclusive offers just for you.